Hello everyone, I am here with Science College Infinity chapter number 1 Cells and Microorganisms, and this is the part 3rd. So today we will learn about diversity in cells. Now we will tell teacher what do you mean by diversity. So diversity means variety or types of the thing which you are talking about or our object. So here we are talking about cells. So types of or variety of cells. So the first one variation in number cell. We will learn this now. Okay. So I will simply give the number. Okay. Now see, you will tell this a variation in number cells. We can't understand that. So I will tell you. In this also there are two types. First is unicellular. Now I will tell teacher what do you mean by unicellular. We are listening this first time. So uni means one or single. Okay. And cellular means cell. Organism. Okay. Organism, so you know not what are that. So unicellular organisms. So one or single celled organism or a uh, organism or animal plant whatever it is. Okay, so now one cell means that organism only contains one cell by which he means it does it work like feeding, moving, okay, and respiration, that all things. Okay, I will give here examples. Start. I will rub this. Okay, so examples are yeast, amoeba, and bacteria. Okay, now you will tell teacher how it works. We can't understand. So I will also explain this with example. Okay. So for example, you will I will take amoeba. Okay. Now how amoeba looks? It is like liquid substance. Okay. It is like this. We can't verify its shape, but it is less like liquid or slime, you can tell. Okay, so now for example, here is a means here you have kept anything which and from which an amoeba can take nutrients, minerals. Okay, so now what it will do, amoeba will do, it's he will extend its shape into finger-like structure, and these are known as pseudopodia. Okay. I okay. So see, these are it will extend its shape into finger-like structure. Then it will go to the food. Means that food. It will fully move to that food, and then it will capture and make a food vacuole. This is food vacuole, and this is amoeba. Okay. Okay, now this is amoeba. Now it will take all nutrients, minerals, what it has to take. Okay, now see, it has to take. It will take all that things, and then it will again move towards its place, and leftover thing which waste material will be there. It will means left means let it go like that only. Okay, so this how amoeba works. So it is a single celled organism. So this all things is done by that one cell only. Okay, start. multicellular organism. Second type is now we will tell teacher cellular means we know and multi also we know. You have heard about multiverse, multi challenges like that. Okay, so multi means many and cellular means cell. In unicellular way you have learned. Okay, now here means a organism. It has many cells. Okay, it has many cells like human beings. We human beings we have many cells. Okay, then plants, animals also. Okay, like so many celled organisms, plants, animals, human beings, we all have many cells, and they all have means a particular task, and they means does their particular tasks to make our body means maintain our body properly. Okay, like that. So there are many cells like this, rectangular in shape, circular in shape, or hexagonal. Okay, so now this was about variation in numbers. Now there are more two types of variations. Okay, first is shape. Now you will tell teacher shape is means see in means cells there are many shapes like red blood cells in our they are disc like. Okay, red blood cells. Okay, then second is human sperm cell. Okay, one second. Its shape is like snake like type. Okay, human sperm cell. Then again one is leaf cell.
Side.
Which is like this. Okay, it has this is nucleus, then chloroplast, Golgi apparatus. This all are there, and they are the parts which we will learn in about in next part. We will learn about structure of cells. I am just giving example of shapes so that you can understand. Okay, now
Start.
okay, so now we will learn about some cells which are present in our body. Okay, nerve cells first is nerve cells. Okay, so nerve cells means what? Nerve cells are present in our body, full body. Okay, so if I'm standing means beside to means beside to gas cylinder or whatever it is, and from there means some sparkling is coming. So my body will means my body will my okay, so now nerve cells are so it some sparkling is coming in from gas cylinder. Then my body will transfer means that cells nerve cells will carry the message to brain, and from brain again they will carry message to my means my hand or whatever wherever I am standing, and I will be aside. So how the nerve cells works. Okay, now next one is muscle cells. Now I will tell teacher muscle cells means which are present in our hands, legs. Okay, yes, that are only muscle cells. Okay, so they are curved and branched means like curved and then like this branched. Okay, like this their cells, that cells are, and they do the work, means they contract and relax to and help in our movement, like walking. Okay, or I am writing on board, or you are writing on your notebook. Okay, like that. Now third is skin cells. Okay, now skin cells means they are flat and cover a large area of our body. Like see, as my skin is there, so this is skin cells which are covering our body for protection, for our body protection. Okay, that are skin cells. They cover a large area. Okay. So now see, the next cell is no sperm cell. It has a wiggly like means tail, like say a snake has its tail, no, like that. It because it swim a long distance. Okay. Now next one is cells in plants. Okay, next is cells in plants. So now cells in plants can be hexagonal, rectangular, or like means circular shape. As and its shape depend on their functions. Okay, its shape depend on their functions. So this was about shape, and the next diversity is, or variety, you can say its size. Okay. Now now cell can be as small as micrometer or as large as few centimeters. Okay, so the smallest cell recorded is bacterial cell. Okay, it is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. Okay, and the largest cell which is recorded, its its centimeter or micrometer is not given. It is human nerve cell. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with part 4 of this, of our chapter number 1. Thank you.